Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint in RERA UP. You must first ensure you are an aggrieved homebuyer or a lottie with a valid claim against a developer or promoter. Begin by compiling all necessary documents, such as your sale agreement, payment proofs, and any communication records. Having these ready will significantly streamline your online filing process. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth submission and helps present a strong case. Once your documents are ready, navigate to the official RERA Uttar Pradesh website. Locate the complaint section, usually found under Registration or Services. If you are a new user, you will need to register by providing your name, email address, and creating a secure password. Existing users can simply log in. This step secures your access to the complaint filing system, ensuring your information remains confidential throughout the process. Make sure to accurately enter all details. Now, complete the online complaint form, clearly stating the nature of your grievance, for example, project delay or non-delivery. Attach all your supporting documents, such as your builder-buyer agreement and payment receipts, ensuring they are legible and correctly uploaded. Finally, proceed to pay the filing fee, which is 1,000 rupees for a single complainant or 10,000 rupees if multiple buyers are filing jointly. This fee is a necessary part of the official submission. After meticulously reviewing all the details and ensuring everything is accurate, click the Submit button to finalize your complaint. You will then receive an immediate acknowledgement number, which is crucial for future reference. Make sure to save this number in a safe place. You can use it on the RERA UP portal to conveniently track the real-time status and progress of your complaint. This concludes the filing process, and you can now monitor its resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.